Imagine if you didn't have to get your phone out for every little thing. What if there was a simpler way to interact with your devices? Flick is a wireless button that connects to your iOS or Android device. So instead of going through your phone, you simply press the button. That's better. I use the Flick app to set it up, and then I can stick Flick wherever I want. I can even share this Flick with my roommate, so he can use it when I'm not around. But Flick isn't just for your house. You can stick your Flicks anywhere, like in your car or on your bike.
That's great.
It's really cool.
Your destination is on the left.
And you can clip your Flicks. It's great for any situation where you need a quick and discreet shortcut.
Me.
Like now.
Me.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I have to take this. But Flick can be so much more than just a shortcut to your phone. It can be integrated with lots of different services beyond your devices. Check this one out. Take me home, Cabby. And when I get home, I want everything to just take care of itself. Shh! Movie's starting. Another great feature of Flick is that it can be used as a safety device. With just a push of a button, you can send live updates of your location or even a distress signal to your family and friends.
Cut! It's a wrap!
Alright, good job.
Finally.
Good job, man.
Anyone wants pizza?
Yeah. Nice. That
Hey,
was a good button.
hang on guys, let me grab a quick selfie first.
Sure. Alright, yeah.
Me and the Flick team.
Scooch in a bit.
Alright, you guys ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Flick!
Hi, we're a Swedish team that has been working for almost 2 years to create Flick, and we're really excited to finally show it to you. We've gone through a hardware incubator in San Francisco, we traveled all across Europe and China to finalize the design and to find the right partners.
We have developed the Flick app to be super simple to set up. Just open your app, press the button, and select the function that you need. We also have an easy software development kit that allows other apps to work with Flick. We already have some amazing apps that will work with Flick already from the start.
And now we need your help to make this all happen. In order to bring Flick to the market and into your hands, we need to fund the tooling and certifications that are needed. In return for your contribution, we'll send you the very first Flicks ever made. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.
Did you know shoelaces have evolved? They're called Hickeys. A new lacing system. A new idea. Fasten once, never tie again. Make all your shoes look better and feel better.
Who are Hickeys for? Everyone. They work on any shoe.
What makes Hickeys so special? Once installed, you can slip on and off your shoes. You will never have loose laces again.
They adapt to your muscles movements, making sneakers more comfortable.
They are easy to use and you can adjust the tightness.
No messy bows. Make your shoes look, fit, and perform better.
Hi, my name is Marikel,
And I'm Gaston.
and we are the founders of Hickeys.
Hickeys lacing system are the evolution of shoelaces.
What started like a cool accessory to slip on and off your shoes has evolved into Hickeys 2.0, a smart, adapted lace alternative that makes your shoes fit like a glove.
This is why we're here today, to introduce Hickeys 2.0 to our beloved Kickstarter community. We launched the company with you and we want to give you the opportunity to be the first ones to have this product.
This is Hickeys 2.0. Same idea, but now more durable, more comfortable, a more streamlined design, more secure, and we offer two different models, adults and kids. Hickeys 2.0 allows your shoes to mold to every curve and arc. We wanted everyone to feel their feet muscles moving in synchronicity with their shoes. How does it work?
The fact that Hikis 2.0 connects only 2 eyelets at a time makes it possible to deliver a targeted, customized fit. The key is to thread Hikis using our different lacing techniques. If you have a high arch, you can loosen your Hikis or tighten them up if your feet are too narrow or flat. Hikis is the only lacing system smart enough to be truly adaptive.
By segregating the levels of tension that you can put on different areas of your shoe, you actually give your muscles a lot more freedom to move. We disrupted the way that you lace up your shoe completely. We don't just turn your shoes into a slip-on. We give you the perfect fit always.
You may remember our earlier model of Hikis that was funded by over 3,000 backers right here on Kickstarter in 2012. Since then, more than 2 million people have turned their kicks into slip-ons with Hikis.
As you can see, 5 years went by and we are still with our Hikis family and new family now coming along as well.
We want to grow our Kickstarter family too and inspire more people to live a life without laces. With your help, we can change the footwear industry and make all sneakers look, fit and perform better.
We can't wait for you to try Hikis 2.0, so pre-order now and get them in time for the holiday season.
Love your kicks!
Thank you.
Je vous attends.
Here's a list of stuff from kinda magical to unbelievably magical. Body wash that's also shampoo. Mentos and cola. Things that fly. With your help, the magical is about to get magical-er. Meet Shai, a pilot, an industrial designer, and an inventor. He loves things that fly. He once tried to turn his car into an airplane. No success. Shai always said that his dream was to bring the joy of flight to everyone. A few years ago, he made a breakthrough in the field of cool stuff that flies. He invented the Power Up, the first electric paper airplane. But then a friend of Shai's told him, "Nice gadget, really, But you can't make a remote-controlled paper airplane. Shai took a moment to think and said, "Challenge accepted." 2 years of research and 57 prototypes later, he made it happen. Meet Shai's unbelievably magical invention, Power Up 3, the first ever smartphone-controlled paper airplane. Using state-of-the-art technology, Power Up 3 turns your embarrassing paper plane into a lean, mean flying machine. Just fold a piece of copy paper into a plane, attach Power Up 3 and install the app. Now call your mom and tell her you're a pilot, cause it works out of the box. In the back of the module are a propeller and a rudder that are in charge of controlling the plane. In the front there's an advanced chip with powerful Bluetooth smart technology for an amazing 60 yards of controlled flight and a tiny rechargeable battery to power this amazing beast. Out of juice? Charge the battery with any micro USB cable. As Shai learned in his career as a pilot, planes should be built for flying and for crashing. That's why all components of the Power Up 3 are super durable and crash-proof. But here's where Shai made it really cool. Power Up 3's smart chip is programmed to optimize user happiness. You don't need a PhD in aeronautics to be able to fly it. The prototype is fully functional and the super ultra magical Power Up 3 is ready for production. This is where Shai needs your magic beans. If you help Shai get to 1,400 backers, you'll help him bring the joy of flight to everyone and obtain the privilege to look down on regular paper planes for the rest of your life. So back Power Up 3 and help make the magical, magical-er.